In this video, I will show you how to find Google Play Store on your Google Smart TV or Android TV. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do from the Home tab right here, you want to make sure you navigate to Settings on your Google Smart TV. Click on OK, or better still, you can look for setting icon on your Google TV. Then on getting to settings, next thing you want to do right here is to simply scroll down all the way down until you get to apps right here. Go ahead and click on apps, and it's going to take you right here. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on see all apps. So next thing you want to do is to scroll down right here. Continue to scroll down. Continue to scroll down until you get to show system apps. Go ahead and click on it, just like so. Then scroll down right here. Continue to scroll down. 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 And here you go. You have your Google Play Store right here. Go ahead and click on OK. And here you go. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and simply click on Open. And just like so, you are now in your Google Play Store. Then from here, you can download and install different apps from these sections right here. You have app category such as entertainment, music and audio, video player, editor, tools, lifestyle, sports, news magazine, productivity, education, health and fitness, communication and business. Everything depends on what exactly and what type of apps you actually need from your Google Play Store. Then you can as well navigate to the top right here and see some of gaming apps that you can download and install into your Google Smart TV. Gaming app also have different category. Just navigate and download and install any one of your choice from your Google Play Store on your Android TV. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use your Google TV, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.